I'm Marcus of Pool and Cooling. Today, we're going to talk about indoor air quality. That's stuff that you breathe. I have a few different things that we offer here. Ionization, plasma air, mini split UV, Abco air scrubber, your everyday UV light bulb. And first thing we're going to talk about, activated carbon filter. This right here, there's little bits of carbon in it. It's actually going to catch those different things in your air to help clean out the air. This filter in a standard house will last maybe 3 to 4 months. In a very busy house, 2 to 3 months. Ultraviolet UV lights, all this is going to do is disinfect or clean where the light touches for extended periods. Very similar to the mini split UV light. It's just little UVs, and we keep it right here on the fan wheel. That fan wheel collects a lot of bacteria and gets organic growth. I will see you on the next part.